said the night would stay, but you spoke